Now just see some of the important alkyl groups which are encountered in organic chemistry. Okay. Now what are alkyl groups? When I take an alkane, remove one hydrogen. Now this, when we remove one hydrogen atom, now the molecule, the homologous series or the functional group or homologous series or a group of organic compound which is obtained is called as alkyl. Okay. For example, if I take an alkane, CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula of an alkane. I just want to remove one hydrogen. When the hydrogen remove madre, this will be a CnH2n plus 1. So this is the general formula of an alkyl group. We will just see what are some of the important alkyl groups which we encounter, and these names are very important because IUPAC nomenclature ನಾವು frequent ಆಗಿ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. Now if I start with the methane CH4, if I remove one hydrogen, I will end up with CH3 and I will have to put a dash. Or this is a bond, which means to say it is vacant. It is ready to bind with any other atom or group of it. If I put an halogen, haloalkane. If I put a OH, alcohol. If I put an NH2, this is amine. If I put an oxygen, this will become ether. So now we should remember the names of this. Now we call this as methyl because we start from methane, alkane, remove one hydrogen, alkyl. Methane will be methyl in the same way. A CH3 and a CH3. Now look at this. This is a primary carbon, this is also a primary carbon, and there is only one type of carbon atoms. Though there are two carbon atoms, there is only one type of carbon atom over here. So I'll remove one hydrogen from here. It is CH3, CH2, the bond. Now this bond can be present on this side or this side, doesn't matter. ಯಾವ atom ಇಂದ ನಾನು hydrogen na remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು vacant bond ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Okay. Now ethane ಇದೆ, this will become my ethyl. This will become my ethyl. Okay. If I remove hydrogen from here instead of here, CH2, CH3, this one. Now both are identical, so we call it as ethyl. So from ethane, how many alkyls are possible? There is only one alkyl, which is ethyl. In the same way, let me take the next one, the next homolog, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now if I have to identify the carbon atoms, this is a primary carbon, this is a primary carbon, this is a secondary carbon. Attached to two carbon atoms, attached to one carbon atom directly, attached to one carbon atom directly. Okay. Now how many types of carbon atoms are there? Primary, primary. Idu one type, idu one type. Now primary anta nodಬೇಡ, but ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ CH3, CH3. CH3 is attached to CH2, CH3. CH3 is attached to CH2, CH3. So and this CH2 is attached to CH3, CH3. This is one type, this is one type. So I'll have this and this as one type and this as one type. Okay. Now if I remove the hydrogen atom from here, I will get one type of alkyl group, CH3, CH2, CH3. I can remove from here or here, it doesn't matter. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಪ್, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೂ we will be getting the same alkyl group over here. Now if I'm removing it from either of the ends, then we call it as N-propyl. N-propyl, normal propyl ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, N-propane ಅಂದ್ರೆ normal propane, straight ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. I remove one hydrogen from either ends, then we call it as N-propyl. Okay. If I remove one hydrogen atom from here, so it will be my CH3, CH, CH3. Remember this group, this is very, very important. Now, look at the CH. On either side of the CH, I have two CH3 groups. Same groups are present on either side. So I call this as iso, and this will be a propyl. Now any group attached over here, for example, if I put the bromine over here, then we call it as isopropyl bromide. Okay, if I put an OH over here, then it is called as isopropyl alcohol, sanitizer, coronavirus. Okay, so this is isopropyl. Any other alkyl groups are possible? No, no other propyl groups are possible because there are only two types of carbon atom over here. Okay, now let me go to the next homolog, butane. So methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl. Idana most of the time we will be using in the common nomenclature, okay, or as a substituents over here. Okay. Now we will go to the 4 carbon containing. Aita 3 carbon orgu gottagide ankonde. Let me go for the 4 carbon atom. Now the 4 carbon atom, this is my CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now this is one type of carbon atom, this is another type of carbon atom. I can remove hydrogen either from here, remains the same. I can remove hydrogen atom either from these two, remains the same. Okay. Now what are the type of carbon? This is a primary, this is a secondary, this is a secondary, this is a primary. Okay. Now when I remove hydrogen from here, okay, the first one, this will be my CH2, 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 CH3, straight agide, butane, butyl agute, N-butyl. This is my N-butyl over here. Okay. Now if I remove the hydrogen atom from here, look at this carefully. CH3, CH, put a vacancy, that is I can put another element over there or any group, CH2, CH3. Now what is the nature of this carbon? This is a secondary carbon because it is attached to two more carbon atoms. So we just call it as a secondary butyl group. This is a secondary butyl. Any more possibility? No. But remember, butane has a chain isomer, first year concept, chain isomer. We can also write butane, okay, in the other form, that is, I can write it as CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, this is another form of writing it, okay. Now, in this case, in this case, there are how many types of carbon? This is one, this is one, this is another type of carbon atom over here. Okay. Now, if I remove, and this is one more type of carbon atom over here. So, I can expect two butyl groups over here. If I remove hydrogen atom from any one of this, let me remove it from here. You can remove it from here, you can remove it from here, no problem. You remove it. It is one and the same. So this will be CH3, CH, CH3, CH2. Okay. Now what is the name of this group? Remember, if you have this one, okay, CH3, CH, CH3, this will be your iso. 4 carbon atom alkyl butyl. This we call it as isobutyl. Now, instead of removing it from here, if I remove it from here, CH3, 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 we can see what kind of carbon atom is it? Now that is my tertiary carbon, so we call it as tertiary butyl. This is my tertiary butyl. So if I take butane, there are 4 different alkyl groups which are possible out of butane, or 4 commonly used alkyl groups of butane. One is N-butyl, secondary butyl. Another one is tertiary isobutyl, tertiary butyl. This 4 correct agi. Okay. Now we will go to the 5 carbon atoms. Most of the time 5 carbon atom is more than sufficient. 5th carbon atom alli yav ide anta heli nodkona. Now that will be more than sufficient for the entire of organic chemistry. Now if I take 5 carbon atoms, 3 carbon, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon and 5th one anta barkonte. Now this is my CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay. Now how many types of carbon atoms are here? Now this is one type, these two are one type, these two are one type, this is a different type. Can you see it? There are 3 types of carbon atoms. What is the nature? This is primary, this is secondary, this is secondary, this is secondary, this is primary. So what can we conclude? All secondary carbon atoms are not one and the same. Oh, this secondary, this secondary, carbon. No. It is based on the point of attachment. Look at this CH2 on the left side, we have a CH3, on the right side we have 3 carbon atoms. If I take this CH2 on the left side, I have CH2 carbon atoms, on the right side also we have 2 carbon. Though it is a secondary carbon, it is a different type of secondary carbon. Now how many alkyl groups are possible out of this? There are 3 alkyl groups which are possible out of this. Okay. CH3, ಇದನ್ನು remove ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. CH2, 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 1. Straight chain, end in the idagide. So this is my N-pentyl. Sometimes the pentyl is also called as amyl. So I can call it as N-amyl also. Okay. Now let me remove it from here. Okay. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3. Okay. Now I can call this as secondary, no issue. But the problem is, idin secondary anta karadre, idu secondary anta karibekagute. In order to avoid the confusion, I'll call it as 2-pentyl. This will be my 2-pentyl. Okay. Now in the same way, so now you would have understood what do we call this? A CH3, CH2. Now this will be my CH. This is my CH2, CH3. Now this will be my 3-pentyl. I'll call it as 3-pentyl over here. Is this clear? So these are the 3 pentyls which you have to remember, which is N-pentyl or N-amyl, 2-pentyl or 2-amyl, 3-pentyl or 3-amyl over here. Okay. Now another chain isomer is possible. We have a chain isomer for this pentyl. Now that chain isomer is CH3, CH, CH3, and this will be my a CH2, CH3. Now this is called as isopentane. In isopentane, if I remove one hydrogen from here, okay, isopentane, if I remove one hydrogen from here, we call it as, remember there are 3 types of pentyls here, over here. I call this as, we have an iso group, so just isopentyl, this is my isopentyl. Next one, CH3, CH, CH3, this is my CH and CH3. What is this now? This we call it as, we can see this is a secondary carbon. This is just called as a secondary pentyl. This is your secondary pentyl. And if I take a CH3, carbon CH3, remove one hydrogen from here, CH and then CH2 and then a CH3. Now if it is attached to a tertiary carbon, we call it as a tertiary pentyl. This we will be calling it as a tertiary pentyl over here. Remember these 3 pentyl groups, okay, with respect to that of the isopentane. This is my isopentane. This is our isopentane. Okay. Now another isomer is possible with respect to that of pentane. Pentane, pentane sala, isopentane. Now another isomer is possible with respect to that of pentane, and that the structure looks something like this. CH3, C, CH3, a CH3 and a CH3. Now all these groups are same. This is called as neopentane. If I remove one hydrogen from here, a CH3, 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 CH2, now this we call it as neopentyl. These are few of the alkyl groups which we have to remember, so that if it is used as a substituent, we can just look at this group and directly name it. You can try with hexane also. You will be having N-hexyl, isohexyl, tertiary hexyl, neohexyl, so on. So neohexyl will be, there is another CH3 over here, so that will be an neohexyl. So these are few of the important alkyl groups which you have to remember. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, with 1 carbon atom it is methyl, with 2 carbon atoms it is ethyl, with 3 carbon atoms you have 2, one is propyl, that is N-propyl and isopropyl, with 4 carbon atoms you have N-butyl, secondary butyl, then we have an isobutyl, tertiary butyl, and with 5 carbon atoms we have N-pentyl or amyl, 2-pentyl or 2-amyl, 3-pentyl or 3-amyl. With respect to that of isopentyl, we have an isopentane, we have isopentyl, secondary pentyl, tertiary pentyl, and the last one with respect to neopentane, we have neopentyl. Now, these are some of the important alkyl groups which has to be remembered.